Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. By the way, that is our phone number. That's the website. They're both on the bottom of this video. So today we're doing a review on the Truxedo Lo Pro. And come on over here. What we have it at? Well, we have a Toyota Tacoma with the 6-foot bed, which you don't see a lot of. I like the 6-foot bed. Now, before I get into how it works, go ahead and take a look at it, how it sits on the vehicle. It is the low profile, so it's going to sit a little lower than some of the other models here. Now, what I like about Truxedo, they have a great warranty. For example, instead of a 1-year warranty or even a 5-year warranty, this has a lifetime warranty. And that's great for the customer because it's covered for a long time. They do a good job of making these. They are UV, so which is great for Florida. It's real important to have a UV protected cover, and it looks good and works good. And you can see how nice it sits on here. And if you look here, it also has a little design pattern on the cover itself, so it gives it a little sportier look. Now, when you first put these on here, you want to make it a little on the tight side. Once the sun comes out, it's no sun right now, these will actually stretch a little. So I put it a little on the tight side, so this way I don't have to adjust it later when it stretches. Like right now, she needs to sit down just a little bit, but because she's tight, she's not going to do it until the sun comes out. So in like a day or two, she's going to come out and stretch a little bit. A lot of times with these covers, they even tell you, hey, it has to be in the sun. So keep that in mind when you put these on and make them a little on the tight, and they'll stretch out afterwards. So let's go in here how that works. Now, very easy to use. If you look over here, you got your little lever right here, and it's nothing to it. Now, when you put these in, you got a little groove here. They just slide into the groove and lock into place, and I'll show you when you do it. You see a little groove here, a little groove there. You just gotta pick them up. You can put them right into that little groove, and you gotta push it down. Of course, I told you it's tight, and you know you want it tight. So again, the better it is, it looks better too when it's tight. So let's go ahead. Now, what I like about a rolling cover versus a folding cover. A folding cover, 99% of the time, you're gonna lose 1/3 of your bed. That means it folds once, folds twice, and it stops actually closer to here. So you're gonna lose access to the front of your truck. Now with a rolling cover, as you can see, it rolls all the way up, does not block the window, which is really nice. You take this, there's 2 of these, and you go ahead and lock it in place and secures it so it doesn't go anywhere when you're driving. Now, if you notice, it is using the cargo management system here, and he does not lose his tie downs. It's still here. So when you go to put these on, you do have to take the tie downs off, put the hardware in, make sure you put them back on like I did here, and as you can see. Now, some people take them off and leave them off. I usually leave them on unless the customer tells me otherwise. So this is nice. He still has access to it. And I do like it's attached here. And this sits in the bed. So again, it's going to sit a little lower. A really great look. I like this cover a lot. I think it's a great value. It's not going to be your least expensive. It's a medium price cover, but you get the longer warranty. You got a great setup here. I like this a lot. And again, by the way, if you look over here, these are your adjustments for your tightness. So like right now, I don't know if you can see these guys here. Basically use a flat head to tighten it up. So you can either loosen it up or tighten it up. Like I said, right now I left it a little on the tight side so the customer does not have to adjust it after she stretches. So, but later on if we have to adjust it, we can, which is really nice. Again, here's the little strap, real easy to use. Again, you're not blocking the window. You got full access to the bed. Really nice setup, because again, you put your groceries in here, it all slides forward. You can still get it, where if you had a folding cover, you're like, ugh, I have to get into the bed. So I like this. I like Truxedo parts here, and I think they're one of the better made soft covers out here. They're actually my #1 selling soft cover at my store, so we do like them. And again, you just put them right here. Locks in there really tight. Now if you want to make it a little tighter, you can pull the sides here and really tighten her up. It works either way. So me being my OCD that I am, I want it perfect. I'm sorry, I can't help myself, but my customers appreciate it. So again, if you like what you see, we can ship this anywhere in the country for you. If you have it installed here, we give you a 1-year labor guarantee that basically covers adjustments, things of that nature. And of course, with the lifetime warranty from Truxedo, you can't go wrong. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. And again, if you need to get this, come to the store, give us a call. We'll ship it anywhere in the country. And if you do the installation, we'll walk you through it. Thank you so much for checking out our new Truxedo Lo Pro on a Toyota Tacoma with the 6-foot bed. Thank you.